Now, can all of you look at the board now? Now, this is called an expression. But if I have this will be called an equation. Why is this so? Can you see that this one only has one term, two terms? This one has got, this is called left hand side, and this is called right hand side, and that's a what? Equal sign. It doesn't mean that equal sign means it's an equation. It must be left hand side, right hand side with an equal sign, that is called an equation. Understand? Okay, now, I told you before when we started algebra, letters are for us to represent unknown numbers. Correct? Okay, now, can we all look at page 124 now? Linear equations, okay, one variable, and so on, and it talk about solution. Okay, what do you mean by solution? Okay, now, let me just show you something here. If I have 3 something plus 1 equals to 7, what do you think will be this something? It's an easy question, so we can guess. What is the answer? This is what? 2x. Alright. 6 plus 1 is 7, right? So, in terms of algebra, we will write 3x plus 1 equals to 7, and x is actually equal to 2. X is the blank. But of course, when it's easy, we can guess. When it is not easy, we cannot guess. Am I right to say that? And this x equals to 2 is called a solution to the equation. What do you mean by solution? Solution will make the equation 2. Understand? Okay, now all of you look up. I go to this expression. 3x plus 1 equals to 7. I say 2 is a solution, right? Now all of you look up. Is x equals to 3 a solution? You look at it. If it's 3, I will have 3 times 3 plus 1, right? What is 3 times 3? 9 plus 1 is what? 10. Are these two equal? No. So x equals to 3 is not a solution. For it to qualify as a solution, it must satisfy. We call it satisfy the equation. That means it must make left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, I repeat that. It is a solution where the equation is true. That means left hand side is equals to right hand side. That means the solution will satisfy the equation. Understand? If the number does not satisfy the equation, that means it is not a solution. Everybody understand now? Can or cannot? Can or cannot? Huh? Okay. Now, we will treat an equation like a balance. Okay, like a balance. But I'm going to show you something on the board which maybe your tuition teacher has already taught you, but I do not know whether you know about it. Now, I want everybody to look at the board. Okay? How many of you have heard of you bring over become plus become minus? You bring over that kind of thing. Actually, it's not bringing over. We are doing the same thing to both sides and we present it differently. Okay? I want everybody to look at the board now. X plus 4 equals to 5. Now, all of you look up. X plus 4, I minus 4, 5 minus 4. Can you see I'm doing the same thing to both sides? I minus 4 on both sides, right? If it's a balance, if I deduct 4 on both sides, it's still balance, right? Okay? Now, what is plus 4 minus 4? 0. So this side left x, right? What's the answer? 1. Okay? But if I present it this way, all of you look up. X plus 4 equals to 5. I omit this 0 there. That is x equals to 5 minus 4, x equals to 1. Can you see it's the same working? It's just that I already know that this one the same thing to both sides. Understand what I'm talking about? Can or not? So from now on, I will not present this because it will complicate things. I will just present this. Everybody clear? And you must know that I'm actually doing the same thing to both sides. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say x minus 7 equals to 2. So what must I do? X minus 7 equals to 2. How to make this 0? Plus what? I must plus the 7, right? You see it? So this also plus 7. So x equals to what is 2 plus 7? 2 plus 7. X is equals to 9. Okay? Now, can you see that if I don't present this back, can you see it will look like minus 7 bring over the equal sign become plus. Can you see? Yes or no? But actually I'm doing the same thing to both sides. Are we clear? So from now on I will say come over become plus. But actually it's not. I'm doing the same thing to both sides. It's just for my easy explanation. Are we okay? Alright, next question. Okay, next question. Okay. I will have x plus 4 equals to 10. Okay. X plus 4 equals to 10. What will make this side x? I must what? Minus 4. Very good. And this side was also minus 4, right? Right. So this one becomes x equals to 10 minus 4. Answer? 6, right? Now, can you look at this presentation? It's again the same. Can you see that we already know this is 0. So, when I present, can you see it's the same thing? Can you see? Actually, I'm doing the same thing to both sides, but I delete the long-winded presentation. Everybody clear? Okay, so when it is a plus, it comes over, it looks like a what? Minus. Everybody clear? Okay, now next one. Next one that I'm going to do will be this. Okay. What if I have 2x equals to 8? How to make this x? I've got to divide by 2, right? Alright, I can cancel off the 2, correct? If I divide by 2 here, this side also must divide by 2. So I'll have x equals to 4, right? Now, if I look at it this way, I don't present that. 2x equals to 8. X equals to 8 over 2. Answer 4. Can you see that? This by times, I bring over become what? Divide. Can see it? This is why your teacher say bring here, your teacher say bring here, bring there. Understand? It's actually doing the same thing to both sides, but we omit this step. Everybody clear? If not, your working will become very, very messy. Everybody okay? Alright, last one. X over 4 equals to 2. X over 4, I must times 4, right? Then I'll make it x, right? So this one will be what? Also times 4. Can you see this one cancel out? What will this be? X equals to what? 8, right? Now, if I don't present the long-winded way, it will be x over 4 equals to 2. X equals to 2 times 4, answer 8. Can you see it is a multiply? Okay, so what's the moral of the story? If we present the linear way, plus go over become what? Minus. Minus go over become what? Plus. Times go over become what? Divide. Divide go over becomes what? Times. It's the opposite operation. Are we clear? Are we clear? Can or cannot? Can, Okay, now look at your textbook class. I want you to read from page 124, okay, all the way to 128. Alright? You can read through it yourself. But I'm going to go through work example 1 here. Will that be okay? Work example 1. Alright, let us look at work example 1. I'm going to teach you how to present. Okay? I'm going to teach you how to present. pens I must show you. Get one more. When the question says solve, what does it mean? Solve means to find the value of the unknown. Understand? Solve means what? To find the value of the unknown. Okay? Alright, let's go to this. 2x plus 3 equals to 9. How to solve this one? Solve this means what? I want to find the value for what? X. Not 2x, just x. Okay? Now, I want to ask you. Equation does it always be x? Can it be y? Can it be a? Can it be b? Yes, okay. Now, all look up here. I get 2x here, right? It will become 9, right? Minus 3, right? Correct. So 2x will be equal to what? 6. Very good. X will be 6 divided by what? 2. So x will be what? 3. So you do it step by step. Okay, actually we are doing the same thing to both sides. You want to see the long-winded way? You want to see the long-winded way? I show you the long-winded way. 2x plus 3 equals to 9. So 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals to 9 minus 3. Can you see it confuses you? You get what I mean? So this one becomes 2x equals to 6. Then I divide by 2, divide by 2, x equals to 3. Now, of course, when it's so simple, it's okay. But when it comes to fractional coefficient and so on, it's going to get into trouble. Do you understand? So we will go for the middle way. Are we all okay? Actually, we are not doing anything special. We are just not presenting the long-winded steps, that's all. Everybody clear? Okay, so that is the first example. Okay, next one. Example part B. Alright, let's look at example part B. 2 bracket y minus 4 equals to 5y minus 3. Okay, let's all look at this particular question. What am I supposed to do with this? Right? All of those up. First of all, I must expand, right? Expand means what? Tell me again. Remove the brackets. So what is 2y minus 8, right? Equals to 5y minus 3, right? Both sides also got y. What do? Remove all the y to one side. This one means 2y minus 5y, correct? Because this is a divisible plus number. So move to the other side is minus, right? Equals to this side remain. Negative 3, what about 8? Come over become what? Positive, correct? Can you see? So what is 2y minus 5y? Negative 3y equals to what? 5y. Am I right to say that? So y will be 5 divided by negative 3, right? Because this is negative 3 times y now. Times bring over become divide, correct? So now you can live in improper fraction. Okay? You can also live in mixed number. It's also okay. It doesn't matter. But if you live it in improper fraction, you must make sure it's in the lowest term. You cannot leave it like, let's say 10 over 15. That is not right. What is it? It should be what? 2 over 3. All answers must be given to the lowest terms. Are we all clear here? Are we all clear here? Yes or no? Yes, okay, now. So, the time is almost up already. What we will do is that we will continue the lesson on SLS on Thursday. Please make sure you look at it because on Friday I'm going to continue from my SLS lesson. Are we clear on this? Yes or no? Yes, okay, good.